What is up, YouTube? So I'm starting the video today a little bit late because I already started taking off everything. I totally forgot to record. But today we're going to be installing I believe it's called JMB intake. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'll put it up in the screen. I forgot what it's called. Let me see. I forgot what it's called, but I put it up in the screen. Anyways, we already went ahead and took off the stock intake, which is humongous. It's over here. It's this one right here. So this is like most of it. You got to take off this little lid right here. We're gonna go ahead and take this off right here. Take this off. This truck is brand new actually, so supercharger looks super clean. But yeah, we're gonna get right into the video. Taking this off, you got to take off all the little push pins from right here, and that's how you take off the little front cover. And then after that, you take off the actual big intake, and it's just a couple bolts. I believe it's a 10, a 13 on that side, and same thing on this side, and then 2 10s right here. And then it should come right off. And of course, you gotta loosen this. So we're gonna get right into the video right now, taking off the rest, and I'll show you guys the process. Alright guys, so we took off the sensor that goes right here. In order to take this off, you gotta take these 3, I believe they are 10mm bolts. Take those off and just disconnect this little tab right here, and it comes right out. So we have it down here. We already disconnected the little hose from the little inlet right here. Now we're just gonna transfer the map sensor over to the new intake. So for this part, all you have to do is lift this little tab up right here. See if I can do it with one hand. So you lift this little tab up. Let's see if you can focus. This right here. Lift it up a little bit. Turn it, and then it should just come right out. Just like that. Alrighty guys, so this customer went ahead and went with an orange powder coat with some flakes in it. I don't know if you can tell, it has like metallic in it, but he went with orange to match with the valve covers. But pretty nice piece. Alright, so they provide you with this little grommet, and that's where you insert this sensor. Just make sure it's all the way in there. Let me put you guys down. Alright, we got it all in. Now we're gonna put in the little cover that goes right here. By the way, also, this is the company where we bought this from, JMB Performance and Powder Coating. So they have these intakes pretty quick, and they look really good, so I definitely recommend them. We're about to see how it sounds. The goal here is for us to hear the whine a lot more, so that's what the customer wanted, at least. So if the customer is happy with that, then I'm happy with the intake. All right guys, now we're gonna put this heat shield on. And it goes very simple. It goes right here, has 2 little grommets right there, and you just insert it in there. They provide you with these little right, like I was saying, they provide you with these little caps. You put them on there and you twist them on, just to make sure this is sturdy. Next, we're gonna install the bracket to mount the intake. You mount it right here. We're about to do that right now. Take the bolts off and just slide it in there and put the bolt back in. It's very simple. Alright guys, little update. So the only hard part for me right now was, let's see if you can see, but this bracket right here, it's hard to get to the bolts. So that was the only issue for me. That one and all the way at the bottom. Other than that, it's pretty simple. I'm about to put on the intakes, connect all the sensors, and should be done. So we put everything back together. We put this cover back on, intakes on. Pretty simple install. But overall, I like how it looks. You can actually see the Hellcat supercharger now. Yeah, gonna turn it on right now and see if the intake makes the whine a bit louder. On a little test drive right now, and so far the whine is night and day. Honestly, you can hear it so much better. I'm not even like getting on it that much. You can hear it. That's me barely stepping on it. Yeah, if you guys are looking for a loud whine for your TRX, I definitely recommend JMB. This is like the leg maker for the Hellcats. Leg maker doesn't make an intake for the TRXs, so JMB is definitely the solution for that. You can hear it a lot. I'm not getting on it because this isn't my vehicle. Is one of my customers' vehicles, and I wouldn't want anybody to freaking go nuts in my car, so I'm respecting his car. But as you can see, like, I don't even have to get on it for it to be known that there's a supercharger under the hood of this truck. That's crazy. Hopefully you guys can hear that, because I can hear it very loud and clear. I'm gonna try the downshift. Yeah, that's very noticeable now. I'm sure the customer is gonna be super happy.